Alright guys, so I'm back. Today I'm going to be tearing the rest of the front end off, getting the radiator removed, steering stem. Got to get all this stuff packed up for the engine builder in the morning. He's going to be installing the kickstart, checking the valve lash, going through my starting system, going through the wiring harness to get it all fixed up and race ready. Hopefully that'll fix the hard to start with the electric start, and if not, we'll have the kick start. So yeah. So as you can see, Austin, because you commented in my first video, I'm putting all the nuts and bolts that I take out right back where they go, so that I'll remember. So the worst part's done, the brake lines. Now that I have brake fluid all over my hands and all over my exotic stands
Same
here.
size level, the quarter acre, and it's $398,000. You do have a pad down here, which is
So I do think the shocks with the brakes under the
shade to the top here.
ends of it there are what are holding the bike up right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the radiator and probably save the front end suspension for last.
We want to go up to Fayetteville.
Again.
Oh, that happened before?
Yeah. What I think at this point it's just going to be easiest to put it on the ground. Do you want to just move those brakes in that bucket? Just move that one brake.
That's a DWI for YOU.
And then move that bucket of water and stuff right there. Yeah. Okay, now. Come back here. And push down. Got it? Okay. You can let off. I don't think you're going to be able to pick it up unless you want to try.
I mean, we can try. Which way are we going?
Go to the left.
With that?
Keep it. Yeah, it's just
Top movies and live sports
okay.
come together. Add on other streamers like MGM Plus and with one app that unites them all. Call shots.
Say it again.
Prime Video.
More water.
It's not a big deal. No, it's a $6.99 just for you.
Or if you want to clean up that side.
Yeah, that's well, we'll be back.
They're lucky they're out of stock right now.
Alright, so here we are after it fell off the bucket there. I'm going to continue to just tear it down where it's at right now. I'll probably move it over a little more so we can get a better shot. But got the Nerf bars off, about to pull the rear shock off, got all the brakes off. After I get this rear shock off, I'll move on to the front, get the A-arms, tie rods, shocks off there, pull the steering stem, and then try to figure out this radiator from there.
just like, man, you got to have that time where you just like disconnect from the scene, just the race. Like, and it's a race that I've created in my head, you know? But you have to step away from it.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Yeah, it was probably like the most unprofessional thing you've ever seen, but I'm just trying to get it done at this point. I gotta pee. Naked as hell. Alright, I'm gonna clean up all these bolts and all these tools and then I'll be back. So as you can see, I mean, there's not much left to do. Got to get the steering stem out, take the brake off there. The rear shock mount seems to be stuck too. There's a chain roller there that needs to be taken off. But other than that, I mean, that's everything. So hopefully as soon as I get it back get the motor back from the engine builder with the kickstart and everything done to it, I can already have the sandblasting and all that shit done, so I can just go ahead and slap it back together and see how it comes out. So
Just so we're clear, you will not
Yeah.
return home from Africa without my son. I'm going with you. Yeah.
That didn't do it to that, it was done.
well, I didn't know if it was gonna be tight or not, so I thought maybe.
E Entertainment?
Alright, so I guess that's gonna be it for tonight. Looks like I got everything off. I'm gonna be able to get off tonight. Still gotta work on getting the radiator off. Gonna have to get a 1/2 inch to get the steering stem off. And that's it. Gotta figure out how that right there comes out, but I'm sure if I give it a couple more minutes of thought, I could probably get it out of there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now.